wasted away again in Margaritaville. Searching for my lost shaker song.
Where's the song?
Where's the goddamn song? Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, and I know it's her fault. These ships are so massive.
Yeah, right in front of Senior Frogs.
Yeah, but that didn't look.
Yeah, spent most of my money walking back to the ship. We are definitely the largest thing here. That's the back end of our ship. She is a monster. Oh yeah, all these were trapped with us. Look how much bigger our ship is compared to that one. That's so crazy. Yeah, we're going back to the ship to drop off our stuff. Oh yeah, they got fish over here.
3 million people around the tower.
Oh, he was cool looking. Look at all these crazy blue marks. Look at the color of that water. That's insane. Do not cross the red line. Rod's GenX. He steps right over. Yeah, GenX said it's best.
It's not
Is that
the machine. It's not the machine. The other guy in the eye went, wait, he goes, it's not the machine. So he's like, oh, ladies, come through.
Can you believe the color of that water? I mean, it's like somebody put dye in it. It's so crazy.
They probably do.
Yeah, they probably do. Yeah. And there's all the little fishies in here.
No, it's almost iridescent.
See all the fish? They're so cool.
You know what I mean? Like
they're little
like
tiger
the
stripe
jewelry,
dudes.
the iridescent, like,
Yeah, one had a purple stripe on its back. It was cool looking. Oh, there.
Oh, there, the bigger one.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, he's got this
He's like racing around.
really cool color down his back.
I just want to film this because we're at Senior Frogs and the ships are all here.
All the way, 3, 2, 1, let's go! One more time, go ahead, go.
So obviously we're in Cozumel.
Let's go.
It's the Margarita of the Seas. Our ship's right behind it. That's the Harmony of the Seas.
One more time. One more time. One speed. Here we go.
Senior Frogs.
Oh, right here. Give it up for Mr. Alpo. Well done. These little 2 ones are killing it. Okay. I stay right here. You win. But if you know, shame on you. Just that, okay? Let's go 3. Let's go 2. Let's go 1. Moving on. Everybody with your hands up. Come on. Everybody with your hands up. Hands up, everybody. Hands up, everybody. Let's go. Everybody clap. There we go. Show your hands. Everybody clap. Let's go. One level tango over to right. Yeah. Give it up for Mr. Orange.
I am.
Let's go. Yeah. Okay. We got Mr. Pickle, we got Mr. Mango, and Mr. Watermelon. You guys are killing it. Okay. Remember, Pickle, to little speed, you can pass it. Sounds good? Ready, Mango? Ready, Watermelon?
They're going crazy.
Let's
in
go.
here.
One more time. 3, 2, 1. Party! Yes, now. Let's go. One more time. All right. Let's go. Here we go. You're fast. Let's go. You're fast. Hey, what's right here? Give it up for Mango. Well done. Okay. Now, We are on the beach party right here, right now. See right here? It's right here. Okay, now. Sir, remind us,
Access
your
submarine
name,
out there,
your
yeah.
foot name, and where do you come from?